Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best robot toys for kids in 2025. The coolest, most fun, and educational picks that every kid will love this year. From smart AI companions to interactive coding robots, these toys aren't just for playtime. They help kids learn, create, and explore in exciting new ways. All the product links are included in the description below, so if you see one your child will love, you can check it out directly. Now let's dive into the list and see which robot toy takes the number 1 spot. 5. Ruko RC Robot. Looking for the perfect gift for kids? Meet the Ruko Robot, a 15.8-inch smart companion packed with fun and learning. With STEM features like 10 emojis, 9 flexible joints, and 10 songs, it moves dynamically to keep kids entertained while boosting imagination, logic, and creativity. From gymnastics, dancing, and storytelling to recording and music, this robot is more than just a toy. It's a true friend. Built with kid-safe materials, rechargeable for up to 100 minutes of play, and easy to control via remote, app, or even voice commands, it's the ultimate blend of fun and education. Perfect for birthdays, holidays, or surprises, the Ruko Robot is a gift kids will never forget. 4. VATOS BG1532. Introducing the new upgraded RC robot. Smarter, bigger, and more fun than ever. This intelligent robot combines voice control, gesture sensing, and 2.4 GHz remote control for endless interactive play. With 22 programmable functions, it can slide, walk, sing, dance, tell stories, crack jokes, and even recite poetry. Plus, you can record up to 30 custom commands. Standing tall at 15.4 inches with bright LED eyes, it's not just a toy, but a true playmate for kids. Built with durable ABS and metal materials, rechargeable via USB, and offering up to 60 minutes of playtime, it's safe, long-lasting, and full of surprises. Perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. This multifunctional robot is the ultimate gift for kids, bringing learning, creativity, and fun together in one amazing package. 3. BG1538. Meet the ultimate intelligent programmable robot toy, packed with fun features kids will love. With the ability to preset up to 50 action commands, this smart robot can perform a wide range of moves with precision. It also supports gesture sensing control, so simple hand movements make it slide forward, backward, or turn with ease. Kids can enjoy the voice recording and fun voice changer with 4 hilarious effects, adding laughter to playtime. Plus, the robot can sing, dance, and light up with multiple songs, dances, and colorful lighting effects for a mini concert at home. With USB charging, 60 minutes of playtime, and auto sleep mode, it's built for long-lasting fun. Made of safe ABS material, it's the perfect gift for kids ages 3 to 12, ideal for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. 2. KingsDragon 917. Meet the ultimate gesture-sensing remote control robot, a fun and smart toy packed with amazing features. Control it with an infrared remote or simply by your hand gestures as it slides forward, backward, turns, and more. With intelligent programming, kids can input up to 50 action commands, and the robot will perform them in sequence, from walking and dancing to patrolling and entertaining routines. Its LED glowing eyes, obstacle avoidance, and auto display make it feel alive. Built from premium non-toxic ABS material with flexible joints and sturdy skating wheels, this rechargeable robot offers up to 60 minutes of playtime after just 2 hours of USB charging. Perfect as a birthday or Christmas gift, this interactive companion will dance, sing, walk, and even talk with a charming accent, bringing endless joy and laughter to kids and families. 1. SGILE SHJ 2001. Meet the ultimate smart robot toy for kids. This interactive robot features gesture sensing so it can move forward, backward, left, or right with just a wave of your hand. With the programmable mode, kids can create up to 50 motion commands and watch the robot perform their very own custom sequence. Activate the patrol function, and the robot will explore while avoiding obstacles using its built-in sensors. That's not all. It can also sing, dance, walk, and slide with bright LED eyes, bringing endless fun and entertainment. Plus, with a rechargeable battery, you'll enjoy up to 60 minutes of play after just 120 minutes of charging via USB. Perfect for hours of learning, creativity, and fun. Thanks for watching our countdown of the top 5 best robot toys for kids in 2025. Whether you're looking for a fun learning companion, an interactive play buddy, or a smart STEM toy, these picks are sure to spark creativity and excitement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews and top lists. All the robot toys featured in this video are linked down below in the description for your convenience, so check them out if you're interested. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep having fun. See you in the next video.